What's everyone? So today we're gonna be doing some Tweety hunting and
with Cooper and yeah.
Well, maybe. But yeah. So we're gonna be out there and right back now. For some reason, you guys, I can't hit one. I've already shot like 10. Missed them all. I don't know why, but found some 3, 4 more. So I was trying to take a shot at them, but my camera does that, so I can't get on film. So okay, guys, so I did hit one in the butt, unfortunately, and I do have proof. Some feathers of it right there. Feathers of him, and he's still flying fine though, surprisingly. But yeah, I think I found another bird, so I'm gonna let you guys. Alright, guys, so I finally got one here, and it took me like 20 some shots, but still got him. I don't know if he's good enough to eat or not. See if I'd have blistered all of them. I'll pick him up here soon and try to see if I busted all the meat or not. So, well, all the meat is just fine, just let you all know, and that is good. So we're gonna cook up at least this guy, and I'm gonna stay out here for another, I don't know, 20 minutes. Maybe not. We're just gonna cook up this guy, see how he tastes. It's very good. I'll just get some barbecue sauce and it should be really good.